Wound me, mother, you wound me. I am like, calm down, man. You like my Ebola self. See, madam, will you tell Oga to increase my salary?
That's settled. Just
name
it.
Madam, talk on it. Today I am your daddy. Madam, Madam, let's go. Sweet madam.
Wetin Oga Madam dey do with security man? Wetin una dey do when Oga no dey this house?
Don't worry,
God have mercy upon us.
You do like that.
Are you playing? What type of playing is this? This is playing.
You be mumu. You think say they wise? You are a mumu man.
Let me do myself now. Hey, I'm wait like you got mumu hotel. Hey.
How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not?
Erasure. Just they play.
Madam, enter.
You be mumu.
Madam, enter.
You think say they wise?
Come on,
Mumu man.
I will take you to class 10. Others are taking their woman to class 9. I'm taking you to class 10. You don't take the way.
You don't know why it's going on.
Let them go!
Don't want peace.
Jamaican.
What's going on here?
She be bad girl, she be wanting party boy. She be bad girl, she be wanting party boy. Party boy.
Jesus!
Jesus!
Jesus!